Welcome to Joey'sTech. In this video, you will learn to write the Python program to find the largest of the three numbers. I'm going to write this Python program in such a way that it is going to accept the three numbers from the console, and the important highlight is that you can enter the three numbers at once. Yes, the program is not going to prompt three times to enter the three numbers, but it will prompt only once and you can enter all three numbers at once. To learn it, all you have to do is watch this video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and you will not miss out on any of my videos. Alright, this is my PyCharm IDE and I have created this largest of three.py file in which I'm going to write the program. I'll write first the main function, for which I'm going to simply type the main keyword and let PyCharm do the rest of the work for me. Now I'll write the code to receive the input from the console. I'll declare three variables first, a, b and c, for which I'm going to write a, b, c and an equals to sign. I'm going to use the input function now, in which I'll write a message, enter the three numbers, and then I'm going to use the split function, which will split the one line input into three items and assign them into three variables. So I'm going to write input, within brackets I'm going to type the message, enter the three numbers, after which I'm going to simply write dot and split. Since I'm entering no parameter in the split function, it means it is going to consider the delimiter as space. One important thing to remember over here is to typecast the input into the integer data type. The split function will be returning a list of strings. To typecast that list of string elements, I will have to use the map function. So it will be map brackets int comma this input function dot split and bracket closed. This will do the job for us. Now I'm going to write the code to find out the largest number out of the three numbers entered from the console. So it will be if within brackets a greater than equal to b and a greater than equal to c colon, then I'll write print curly brackets is the greatest dot format within brackets a. So I think this is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm comparing a with b and a with c, and if a is greater than or equal to both of them, then I am printing that the value which is residing in the variable a is the greatest. Based on the same lines, I'll write elif b greater than equal to c and b greater than equal to a colon. I'll simply copy this from here and I'll paste it over here. I'll replace a with b and that's it. Now I'll write the third elif of this if and else. So it will be c greater than equal to a and c greater than equal to b colon. I'll copy this from here and paste it over here and replace b with c. That's it. My program is complete. Now I'll click on the play button to run the program. You can see that it is displaying the message given over here, which is enter the three numbers, and asking me to enter the three numbers. So I'm going to type 4, 7 and 3. So as you can see that out of these three, 7 is the greatest and that's the expected output. Now I'm going to hit enter and the program should return that 7 is the greatest. Let's hit enter. There you go. It returns 7 is the greatest. That means that the program is working fine. This is the most conventional approach that I explained to you right now. Now I'm going to explain to you How to find out the largest number among the three using Python's max function. It's very easy to write the code. So I'll first simply write print, and then I'm going to display a message which is going to basically segregate our output. Because I have already coded the first approach over here, there should be a message for separating the output of the first approach from the second one. So I'll write output, or let me write largest number using the max function. Okay, so this is my message. After that, I'm going to type print, and within brackets I'm going to write max, and as its arguments I'm going to simply write a comma b comma c. That's it, job done. Now let's check the output of the program by clicking on the play button. So it's asking me to enter the three numbers again. I'm going to enter this time 14, 20 and 7, and let's see what the output of the program is. You can see that beneath the message largest number using the max function, the largest number using the max function indeed has been printed. I have coded both the approaches and both of them are giving the correct result, are giving the same result, I must say, as well as the correct result, because 20 is indeed the largest among the three. There is one more approach in Python to find out the largest number among the three entered numbers, which I want to explain to you. It's using the max function of the Python list. So first, let me type a message to segregate the output. So this time I'm going to write print largest number using the max function on Python list. Alright, so I'm going to create a list now, and I'm going to name it li, and I'm going to keep the variables a, b and c as the elements of this list. So it will be a comma b comma c, and then I'm going to simply write print max, within brackets I'm going to simply write li. That's it. This is another approach that I have coded. It's so simple. Now let's click on the play button and see the output of the program. Okay, so I'm going to enter the three numbers this time. Let it be 12, 101 and 4. So clearly 101 is the largest among the three, and let's see if all the three approaches give 101 as the output. Oh, there you go. The first approach says 101 is the greatest. The second one says that largest number using the max function is 101. And the third approach, which we coded just now, says largest number using the max function on Python list is 101. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the three approaches to find the largest number among the three numbers entered. Let me know if you have any doubts related to this video. I'll see you in the next video of Joey's Tech. Thank you and take very good care of yourself.